Geoengineering unveiled, the dystopian dilemma we contemplate. In the face of escalating climate change challenges, the concept of geoengineering emerges as a double-edged sword, presenting a perilous plan that prompts profound ethical and environmental questions. This controversial proposition involves large-scale interventions in the Earth's systems, aiming to mitigate climate change by manipulating the atmosphere, oceans, or land. While proponents argue that it offers a last-resort solution, the potential consequences of tampering with the planet's delicate balance raise grave concerns. One audacious geoengineering proposal involves solar radiation management, where reflective particles are injected into the upper atmosphere to scatter sunlight, thus cooling the Earth. While this might offset rising temperatures, the ramifications include altered weather patterns, potential disruptions to ecosystems, and the unknown consequences of modifying the planet's energy balance. Another proposal focuses on ocean fertilization, an attempt to enhance carbon sequestration by stimulating the growth of algae. The idea is that as these algae photosynthesize, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, the unintended consequences, such as harmful algal blooms and disruptions to marine ecosystems, underscore the unpredictable nature of such interventions. Beyond these schemes lies the daunting prospect of altering the composition of the atmosphere itself. Techniques like direct air capture aim to extract carbon dioxide directly from the air, offering a potential solution to reducing greenhouse gas concentrations. However, the immense energy requirements, ethical concerns surrounding unintended consequences, and questions about long-term storage pose significant challenges. The geoengineering dilemma extends beyond the technical feasibility to the ethical quandaries embedded in such interventions. Who decides the optimal temperature for the planet? What regions benefit, and which suffer? The potential for geopolitical conflicts arises as nations grapple with conflicting priorities and interests. Moreover, the sheer scale of geoengineering projects necessitates international cooperation, emphasizing the need for global governance frameworks. The absence of robust regulations and oversight could lead to a chaotic implementation of untested, large-scale interventions, with unpredictable repercussions for ecosystems and societies, as we teeter on the precipice of climate crisis. The notion of implementing a terrible plan like geoengineering forces us to confront uncomfortable truths. The urgency of the climate situation requires radical solutions, yet the potential risks and unforeseen consequences of such interventions urge caution. It's a delicate dance between desperation and prudence, where humanity grapples with the consequences of past actions while contemplating the ethics of altering the very fabric of the planet. In conclusion, the terrible plan of geoengineering remains a tantalizing yet treacherous proposition in our struggle against climate change. The urgency to address environmental crises clashes with the uncertainties and ethical dilemmas inherent in these grand-scale interventions. As we stand at this crossroads, the decision to implement such measures requires careful consideration, recognizing the potential for unintended consequences that may reshape our world in ways we can scarcely fathom.